Hi, in this video we are going to see how to make a text box read only. Read only means you cannot edit the contents or you cannot type anything inside it. So here we have one checkbox. The checkbox, as you can see, is attached to this Boolean variable. We have a text box attached to this string variable. Since we want to make this text box read only or not, based on the value of this boolean, we will write the code here. So click on the edit, go to properties, click on set condition, click on if, and look at the checkbox boolean. If the boolean is true, then we don't want it to be read only. So yeah, of course we are dealing with read only, which means we kind of need to get rid of this part of the code. Let's see, there's a small there. Okay, so if this value is true, that means read only is true, then ffm dot read only should be assigned the value true. Let's just copy the same thing. It's time for the else condition. If it is false, then ffm dot read only should also be false. Let's go ahead, click on save, preview. Right now we're able to type. Click on read only. Now when I try to type with my keyboard, as you can see, I cannot even get the cursor here. When I remove this, it's working again. So this is how, using the FFM, you can make that particular text box or any other element for that matter read only based on a certain condition. Thank you.